There are several ways to add a citation to a reading list in Leganto. One cool way to add items from anywhere online is with the Cite It toolbar widget. This widget enables you to cite a web page or an item on a web page. To install Cite It on your browser, click your username and select Cite It. Here you can see the list of all the sites supported by the widget. This list gets updated on a regular basis. Now to install, simply drag and drop the Cite It link to your browser's toolbar. That's it. You're ready to start adding web citations. We are now looking at a web page with a wanted item. In our example, it's an article from Science Direct, but it can also be from Amazon or a YouTube video, or an item from any of these supported web pages. To add this item to our reading list, click Cite It, and a pop-up appears with the item's details. If the item already has coverage by the library, Leganto recognizes this and displays the Covered by Your Library indication. This applies to both books and articles. You can add the citation either to your collection in Leganto, making it available to add to your lists later, or directly to your reading list by clicking List and selecting the list, and then the section within the list. Now, if we want to add this item to several lists, we click Add, and then repeat with another list. Otherwise, simply click Add and Close. Back at the list, we can see the article has been added, and we can view it via Check Availability, and in the citation page, click on the desired link. Thanks for joining this session.